Ever wondered how humanity went from gazing at the stars to walking on the moon and sending rovers to Mars? Space exploration is one of the most thrilling and inspiring chapters of our story as a species. In this video, we'll travel through time, from the earliest dreams of space travel to the exciting future missions on the horizon. So, buckle up for a journey that's out of this world. Get ready to uncover milestones, heroes, and the technology that brought us to where we are today. The idea of space travel has fascinated humans for centuries. Ancient philosophers like Aristotle and Copernicus theorized about the cosmos, proposing early ideas that paved the way for future scientists and visionaries. By the early 20th century, authors like Jules Verne and H.G. Wells turned these dreams into imaginative stories, capturing the public's curiosity. But it wasn't until the Cold War that space exploration became a reality. Enter the space race. This intense competition between the United States and the Soviet Union to dominate space wasn't just about scientific progress. It was a battle for global influence and national pride. And the Soviets struck first in spectacular fashion. On October 4, 1957, Sputnik 1 became the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth. This metal sphere with antennas might seem simple by today's standards, but at the time, it was revolutionary. Its success not only marked the dawn of the space age, but also ignited a race that would forever change our understanding of the universe. The next big leap? Sending humans to space. After the success of unmanned missions, the Soviet Union stunned the world once again. On April 12, 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human to orbit Earth aboard Vostok 1. His flight lasted just 108 minutes, but it cemented his place in history and made him an international symbol of bravery and progress. Meanwhile, the United States accelerated its efforts. NASA's Mercury program laid the foundation by sending astronauts into orbit and proving that humans could survive in space. This was followed by the Gemini program, which focused on more complex maneuvers like spacewalks and orbital docking, critical steps for future moon missions. Then came the defining moment, the Apollo program. On July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on the moon during the Apollo 11 mission. Armstrong's iconic words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," still resonate today. The Apollo missions not only showcased technological prowess, but also united humanity in awe of what we could achieve. In the 1980s, NASA introduced the Space Shuttle, a reusable spacecraft that revolutionized space exploration. These incredible machines carried satellites, facilitated experiments, and even played a key role in constructing the International Space Station. The Space Shuttle program wasn't without its challenges, including tragic accidents like the Challenger and Columbia disasters. But its achievements were monumental. From launching the Hubble Space Telescope in 1990 to fostering international cooperation in space. By the time the program ended in 2011, the Space Shuttle had transformed our approach to space exploration. Speaking of international cooperation, the International Space Station, or ISS, is a shining example of what humanity can achieve together. Since its first module launched in 1998, the ISS has served as a laboratory, a training ground, and a symbol of unity. The ISS has hosted over 200 astronauts from 19 countries and has been pivotal in scientific advancements. Whether it's studying the effects of microgravity on the human body or testing new materials, the ISS continues to push the boundaries of what we can achieve in space. While humans venture closer to home, robots have taken us to the farthest reaches of our solar system. The Voyager probes, launched in 1977, have traveled beyond the heliosphere, sending back data from interstellar space. Closer to home, robotic explorers like the Mars rovers, Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance have uncovered invaluable insights about the Red Planet. From analyzing soil samples to capturing breathtaking panoramas, these missions have reshaped our understanding of Mars and its potential to harbor life. So, what's next? The future of space exploration is brighter than ever. NASA's Artemis program is set to return humans to the moon by 2025, with plans for a sustainable lunar base to serve as a stepping stone to Mars. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are playing a transformative role, making space travel more affordable and accessible. Space tourism, asteroid mining, and Martian colonization are no longer just science fiction. NASA's Artemis plans include the Lunar Gateway, a space station orbiting the moon that will support long-term exploration efforts. And with SpaceX's Starship poised to become the first fully reusable spacecraft capable of interplanetary travel, humanity is on the verge of a revolutionary leap into the cosmos. Beyond the moon and Mars, there's talk of missions to explore Europa's subsurface ocean and Titan's methane lakes, places that could harbor alien life. New telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope are already unlocking secrets of the early universe, paving the way for discoveries we can only imagine. The role of international collaboration is also expanding, with countries like China, India, and the European Space Agency launching ambitious missions. The future of space exploration is not just about technological milestones. It's about humanity coming together to push the boundaries of what's possible. From Sputnik to interstellar probes, space exploration has been a journey of ingenuity, bravery, and relentless curiosity. As we stand on the brink of a new era, we're reminded that the stars are not just destinations, but reflections of humanity's boundless potential. If you enjoyed this journey through the history of space exploration, hit that like button, subscribe to History of Humans, and share your favorite space fact in the comments below. Together, let's keep reaching for the stars.